Okay, everyone, let's finish up this series of review videos for IM3 first semester. So on this one, you will notice the graph is already done. And here you're given the system up here. Now you have two good choices. You could actually make a table for each one of these just to make sure they're graphed okay. Or you could just simply and efficiently solve it algebraically and see which graph basically matches your answer. So let's go ahead and do it algebraically. I'm going to go ahead and minus 6 both sides. I'm going to go ahead and minus 2x both sides. So let's see what happens here. I got x squared plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. I can solve that with quadratic formula, or I can factor. So 3 times 1 is a 3. 3 minus 1 is a 2. For this to equal 0, it's got to cross at negative 3 and at positive 1. So if we quickly look at this first graph, and we go to, let's say, negative 3, which is over here somewhere, notice nowhere over here is this line crossing it. So obviously choice 1 there is no good. If we look at choice number 2, and we notice right there, potentially it crosses at 3. Right there, correct? And what about positive 1 over here? No, it doesn't cross there, does it? It may cross there, but it's got to cross at both points. So 2 is no good. Let's go to this one right here. 1, 2, 3. Negative 3 is right here again. This line's not crossing it, so it looks like it must be our fourth choice. And notice right here, it does cross at negative 3. And right there, it does cross at positive 1. So that's why I'm going to pick choice number 4. Okay. Again, same idea here. We could quickly try to graph these, but why don't we try to solve them algebraically real quick? So if I have x squared plus 2x plus 3, that equals y. Here, let's go ahead and solve for y. So 2y equals 10 plus 2x. All I did was add 2x to both sides. Let's go ahead and distribute dividing by 2. Y is 5 plus x. So this is going to equal to x squared plus 2x plus 3. All right, so we're going to minus 5 both sides. We're also going to minus x both sides. So we have x squared. 2 minus 1x is simply 1x. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. It equals 0. Again, we could use quadratic formula, but why not factor it? Since it looks so simple. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 minus 1 is positive 1x. That means the graphs better cross at x equals negative 2 and right here at 1. If we look at our first graph, here's negative 2 for x. Looks like they cross right there. Here is positive 1. Looks like they cross right there. So it looks like choice 1 must be the answer. If we were to quickly check the other ones, notice this one does not cross. I'm referring to the line and the graph here. They do not cross at positive 1, correct? So that's why we would say that one can't be a possibility. Again, we're looking for negative 2 and 1. So here's negative 2. Notice this line does not cross the parabola at negative 2. No good there. This one here There's negative 2. As you can see, nowhere on this line is a parabola and this line here crossing each other. Remember, when you're looking for solutions, guys, you're looking for where they cross each other, right? And so that's why the choice would be number 1. And that's basically it, guys. Again, to solve these, I could have gone ahead and graphed each graph to make sure and find the ones that graph, but why not just solve it algebraically and make sure the graphs do cross where they're supposed to cross? Okay? If you have any questions, guys, please let me know. Please ask in class. Let me know if I need to clarify anything. But this officially ends my review for first semester for now. I'm sure there'll be some more problems coming up later in semester. But for the next month or two, guys, we're going to focus on semester 2. Okay? I'll see you in class.